In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Fiverr account password, whether you've forgotten it or it's been so long since you last used it that it simply doesn't come to mind. We've got you covered. Let's walk through the process together to help you regain access to your account. To start, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Firefox, Chrome, Edge, or another choice entirely. Whichever one you feel most comfortable with will do just fine. Once your browser is open, navigate to the address bar at the top of your screen. You'll want to type in fiverr.com and hit enter on your keyboard. This action will take you to the Fiverr homepage. Now take a look at the top right corner of the page. There you'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be presented with several options for signing in, such as continuing with Google, Apple, or Facebook. However, since we're focusing on recovering an old password, that's not quite what we need. Instead, look for the option that says Continue with email/username. Click on that and you'll encounter another option that reads Forgot Password. This is your key to recovering your account, so go ahead and click Forgot Password. Next, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Fiverr account. Make sure you type it correctly to ensure you receive the password reset instructions. Once you've confirmed your email address is correct, click on the Reset Password button. Fiverr will then send important password reset instructions directly to your email inbox. Now head over to your email account to find that email from Fiverr. It should appear in your inbox shortly after you clicked Reset Password. If it's not there within a few minutes, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder just in case it landed there accidentally. Open the email and carefully follow the instructions provided. These will guide you through resetting your password. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to recover your Fiverr account password and regain access to your account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ring the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.